Bitcoin ETFs exploded in popularity in 2024 and 2025, and in 2026 they're changing the market even more. But many people still don't understand why Bitcoin ETFs matter, or what makes them different from simply buying Bitcoin. In this video, I'll explain Bitcoin ETFs in the simplest way possible, and why they play such a huge role in Bitcoin's future. A Bitcoin ETF is basically Bitcoin inside a traditional investment wrapper. Instead of buying Bitcoin on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, you buy a share of a Bitcoin ETF through your normal stockbroker, like you would buy Apple, Tesla, or an S&P 500 fund. Behind the scenes, the ETF provider holds real Bitcoin in custody. You simply buy shares that track the Bitcoin price. No wallets, no private keys, no exchanges, just regular investing. Bitcoin ETFs exploded because they made Bitcoin safe and familiar for big investors. Pension funds, institutions, wealth managers, they all needed something regulated, simple, and easy to buy. ETFs gave them exactly that. Billions of dollars flowed in. And that pushed Bitcoin to new highs. Bitcoin didn't change, but the way people buy it did. Here are 3 big reasons ETFs matter today. 1. They unlock massive institutional demand. Most big institutions aren't allowed to buy Bitcoin directly, but they can buy ETFs. That alone opens a giant floodgate of money. 2. They reduce friction. You don't need to learn about wallets, seeds, or private keys. For many people, ETFs are the easy mode of Bitcoin, and easy access equals to more adoption. 3. They make Bitcoin look more legitimate. Whether we like it or not, Wall Street legitimacy attracts new investors. ETFs make Bitcoin feel like part of the financial mainstream. But here's the important part. ETF Bitcoin is not the same as holding your own Bitcoin. With an ETF, you don't control your private keys. You can't spend it. It stays inside the financial system. With real Bitcoin, you hold it. You can send it anywhere. No bank or institution controls it. ETFs are great for price exposure, but they're not a replacement for real Bitcoin ownership. Bitcoin ETFs aren't perfect, but they're a massive step toward mainstream adoption. They bring new investors into the ecosystem, and in the long run, that helps Bitcoin grow. If you want more simple Bitcoin explanations, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.